Coach, certainly the result, not the result that you'd want, but your team came here this evening and put up a resounding performance versus Dinthill. Tell us how you think about the game.
I mean, we played well, and I must commend the boys. I think we dominated in patches. You know, we played today, but unfortunately in the end we made, I think, two big mistakes, and we conceded 2 goals. You know, but all in all, first game, you saw the game. I mean, it was 1-1 for like 90 minutes, and they scored 2 in added time. So I mean, it's just to go back, get them back up mentally, and then take it from there. This is the first game.
Yeah, definitely. A really good battle, I have to say. I'm pretty disappointed that your team didn't take the chance, because quite a few chances were presented to your team. You guys didn't take it. Disappointed about that?
Yeah, man. I mean, playing away from home and 1-1 at the end. I mean, a regular time, you definitely want to be taking something from a game like this. But I mean, they are kids, they are learning. It's sad, but the turnaround time is very short. So we're going to now go back and really work hard and come again.
One person you regard is matching the tempo and the technical ability of a Dinthill team with so much Premier League players in it.
I mean, we were there, we played them, we weren't afraid, we kept position, we used the ball, you know, for long periods and stuff like that. So as I said before, it is more mental now. It's just going back now, getting them back up for the next game, and then take it from there.
All right, Coach, good game, and see you again, yeah?
Yeah, man, thanks, Coach.